This is Brad Bernstein.
An internal ICE memo just leaked showing immigration officers are claiming they can just break into your home without a judge's warrant. And this isn't theory anymore. This just came out in the news yesterday, a leaked document that says ICE can just break into your home. And it's already happened, according to the news. They used a battering ram in Minneapolis to break into somebody's home without a warrant. And if the government can break into your home without a judge's warrant, then whatever happened to the Bill of Rights? We don't have 10 Bill of Rights anymore. We now have 9, because the Fourth Amendment, the one that protects your home, doesn't exist anymore. And for all you people out there who are like, yeah, go get the immigrants, they broke the law, they should just batter down their houses, don't fool yourself into thinking this is just about immigrants. If the government can do this to immigrants, wait till the IRS gets their hands on this rule. We heard you're cheating on your taxes. We're here to see if you got cash under your mattress. Take the battering ram out and rip down their door. Or the DEA says, Joe at the pizza place says you're a dealer. Let's break down the door and see what we find in your house. Because this is no longer law enforcement. This is unchecked government power. When I got into immigration law, it was to help people get green cards, fill out some forms, help them make a better life for themselves. Never in my wildest imagination did I believe that I'm now responsible, me and the other immigration lawyers, for making sure the Bill of Rights still exists in America.